nothing can separate you from the love of God. Which means if you feel separated, just go back to the last place you experienced him. Because he hasn't left, you did. But the good news is you can reestablish that relationship right where you left him. So the gospel, it does a great job throughout all of the New Testament answering this question for us. Will God reject me too? The gospel answers this with overwhelming grace. This overwhelming grace that Jesus provides to us reminds us that we do not belong to ourselves, we belong to him. Our life is not our own. We have been bought and purchased with a price. And the price that we have been bought and purchased with is the life of Jesus Christ. He exchanged his life for yours, and you are the only one hanging on to your life when he has a better life